They told us our history began in a place of struggle. They were wrong. Your history began in palaces. It began with the kings who charted the stars and the queens who commanded armies. That blood, that royal code, it didn't stay behind on the continent. It traveled with you. Today in Minnesota and across the US, that legacy is alive. It's in our business ethics, our family values, and our communal strength. Whether you hail from the hills of Ethiopia, the shores of Ghana, or the plains of Cameroon, you are a thread in a sovereign tapestry. We are not just a diaspora, we are a gathering of royalty. At One Tikar One People, we believe it is our sacred responsibility to facilitate this exchange, to preserve our norms and protect our future. But a bridge is only as strong as those who walk upon it. We need the voices of every nation. We need the vision of every entrepreneur. On September 12, 2026, the great African land converges in Minnesota. Join us as an ambassador for your country. Claim your space as a vendor and connect with your people. The booths are limited. The legacy is eternal. Visit oneticaronepeople.org. One Africa, one people, one future.